Hey everybody, it's Gio Aritas, the director of the Real Estate Investment Group with Nationwide, and I'm out here today in gorgeous Section 10 in West Las Vegas, and I gotta tell you, I just love this neighborhood. I've been driving around here all morning. This is one of my subject neighborhoods that I just absolutely love. This is such a unique area with so many beautiful houses, all different in character, if you can see over my shoulder here. Over here, these are all custom homes sitting on a minimum of a half an acre in an area that is just gorgeous. It is so much fun to be here in this area. I mean, you've got so many cool houses. There's a vacant, big vacant plot. And it's a little windy out here. I'm going to do my best. But oh boy, these homes are just gorgeous. They're so much fun. They've got so much character. And they're sitting on beautiful pieces of land, and they don't come up for sale too often, but lately there have been some in here, and so I've been keeping my eye on them. And I mean, look at the house behind me. Look how cute that is. And you walk in, I mean, when you drive into this neighborhood, and I wish I could, I wish I could record while I'm driving. I've been trying not to do that because it's sometimes a little distracting, but I'd like to be able to just take a shot of the drive-in here. There's so many really cute houses. There's one way back here over my shoulder that is super cute. You've got just so much personality and character on beautiful homes here. This is one of the most desirable places for construction companies to come and build homes when the area was, when Las Vegas was developing out this far, back in the late 80s, early 90s. And there's just so many cool houses here, and there's a few that are really cool that are up for sale right now. So if you're interested and you want to know more, give me a shout. Send me a text to 702-805-2720 or hit me on an email at gio@reiglv.com. gio@reiglv.com. Have a great day. All right, to hell with it. This is Gio Aritas, the director of the Real Estate Investment Group at Nationwide, and I'm going to shoot this a little bit. I'm going to try to drive slowly so you can see everything. This neighborhood here in Section 10 is just so cute. There are so many different kinds of houses. Look at this brick house. Look at this brick facing. You don't see this too often in Las Vegas. Look at how cute this place is. And there's a lot of stuff now that is starting to come up, and this neighborhood is not typical for having a lot of houses for sale. So it's a really awesome opportunity to be able to own a house in this neighborhood. There's so many different kinds. The price ranges in Section 10 go anywhere from like the 450 mark all the way up to the, I mean, there's a house in here that's 14 million, but that's not a typical property that you'll find here. But I'd say probably 2.5 to 2.6 million. And then these little alcoves like Westwood, and this. So now I'm on Laredo, and we're driving down past east of Buffalo. Now we're getting into, see, this house is for sale. This would be a great fixer-upper right here. This property would be an awesome fixer-upper. And then, see, this is what makes these areas really cute, is you've got these developers from back in the late 80s, early 90s that would buy up these properties, these pieces of land. They'd subdivide them. Look at this awesome house right here. Look at this awesome house. And this is right next door to this house that I think would be a great fixer-upper. And here's the thing. And this is what I've been telling our clients, and the ones who are interested in this area understand it because they know it. But because houses don't come on the market here too often, this is the fixer-upper here that I really think just went up for sale. And I think it's a little bit overpriced, but I think it's in the right area because property prices are moving up so fast. This would be a great fixer-upper. But because houses don't come up for sale too much in here, it's difficult to comp them. So the agents they're pricing them properly for what they have to work with. Having said that, I think the real top-end value hasn't been achieved in this market. I think there's a lot of room in this market to push up the top end. So buying a house here to live in, or even just to renovate and live in, really could have some major value down the road, because the prices of these homes, I mean, these are homes that in California would cost 1.5 to 2.7. I don't even know if you could get the land in California. I think that would probably be the top end if you could even find a half-acre plus parcel. But I mean, this is just so fun, and you don't see it in Las Vegas. Like, look at here, it's a tennis court right here, and then look at this beautiful, look at this brick house, look at this gorgeous freaking brick house here. I mean, I feel like I'm back on the East Coast sometimes when I drive in this neighborhood, and it's fun. Look at right next to another brick house, and so they look architecturally like they may have been from the same builder too. So, and then look, boom, vacant piece of land right here that's available to build on. This one in particular is not for sale, but there are others in the neighborhood here that are for sale. And then look, and then this, in one of my earlier videos, I'm not sure if you've seen it or not, but I mentioned a house that is about 15 million, and this is one of the houses that is about 15 million right here. And you really can't, from the video, you can't really see all the way back to where it is, but you know, the iron gates and the huge facades, and I mean, this has got to be sitting on a rectangular acre piece. You know, you've got this beautiful, and some of these areas are gated and they're gorgeous. Look at this right here, look at this. Where are you going to go and find houses in Las Vegas that look like this? Section 10. And if you want to know more, give me a shout. Send me a text message at 702-805-2720. 702-805-2720. I'm sorry, I got to keep going. Look at this. These houses are so much fun. I love driving this neighborhood. I also love driving it in the holiday season too, because a lot of them have some very interesting decorations. Look at this. Look at this cool custom gate on this beautiful, and they all got the custom doors, the garage doors, beautifully landscaped. It's very, very cool. And there are properties here that you can buy. There are properties that you can buy and fix up. Look at, there's some new construction going on right here. Look at this. Right here, right down the street. So this area is still, and that's the charm of this area. This neighborhood is still being built up. So you've got old charm, you've got new charm, you've got, look at, this is a cool house. This is another one that is up there in price. Look at the balcony up there. It looks like they might even have a hot tub on the top. I mean, and look at just even the facades, the stonework on the wall, rather than just being a plain wall. I mean, this is such a classy, fun neighborhood. If you are coming from out of state and you like this kind of a look and feel and want something that's not your typical Vegas, hit me with a text message at 702-805-2720. Look at that cool door. 702-805-2720. Let me know, and this one might actually be a great fixer-upper too. Look at that big piece of land, undeveloped in the back too. House looks like it's in shambles. So this is an area, I mean, it's just great for people that want to buy and hold, buy and own, buy and flip, and fix and flip. This is a great area. Give me a shout, and I'll let you know more. And here's one for sale in Section 10 right now on the market. This is a super cute house. I don't know if you can really see between the palm trees there, the entranceway. It's really unique, great piece of land sitting in this awesome little cul-de-sac here. Check it out, with all of these other cool homes. If you're interested in what's going on in Las Vegas, especially if you're interested in something like this in Section 10, give me a shout and send me a text message at 702-805-2720, and I'll get you some information.